Hello friends, welcome back to SPN Consultant. So today in this video, I am going to talk regarding the shares which are providing dividends, and not only dividends, a very healthy dividends. So do watch the video till the end so that everything will be clear to all of you. So before that, anybody new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that any video uploaded by me will be notified to you. And there are many more videos on this channel. You can go through it. Those are also of valuable knowledge. So let's come to the point regarding today's video. The share which is providing a dividend of rupees 45, and the name of that share is Acelia Solutions India Limited, and that is providing dividend on 6th of October. And one more thing I want to tell you, that this is not my recommendation. I am just providing you for your knowledge purpose only. Just focus on that, and if you are interested, do consult with your financial officials or financial advisors and act accordingly. So let me write the name of that share, that is ACCELYA, Acelia Solutions, SOLUTIONS, Acelia Solutions India, INDIA, India Limited, and the current price of this share is, let me check it out. What is the current price of this share? Just hold on. So the current price of this share is 1114 is the current price of this share. So friends, do focus on this share, and it is providing dividend on the 6th of October with 45 rupees per share. So friends, if you like the video, then do share it and subscribe it. Thank you. See you soon again. Goodbye.